Hello everyone. Hi Bacha Party. How are you all? Yes, you all are very fine and doing good job at your homes, है ना? And how was your celebration of Rakhi? Hope it was very good. Okay. Now, yesterday we had done all the question and the answers. All the question and the answers of chapter number 3. है ना? Then I already made you learn the extra question and the extra answers which I took from the chapter, right? So I gave this homework to you. Hope you will do on time, okay, and send me properly. So this is your homework. In last lecture I gave you this homework and we talked about this great personality also. Yes, he is Mahatma Gandhi. He is Mahatma Gandhi and he always made his clothes by his own. है ना? See, what is this? Tell me what is this? This is charkha. And Mahatma Gandhi was using this charkha to woven the cloth. है ना? He is using to make the cloth and he always worn the khadi. है ना? Now what is written next in number C? Collect the pieces of different clothing material and paste them in your scrapbook. If you want to do this activity, you can do. If you want to do this activity, you can do. You can take the different type of clothes. Clothes like silk, clothes like rayon, nylon, polyester. See, you can do one thing. You can make the differentiate. You can make two columns. है ना? One side you will paste the clothes which we are getting from the natural sources, like silk, cotton and wool. These we are getting from the nature. Now on next page you can paste the synthetic clothes. You can say the artificial clothes, you can say the man-made clothes which we humans are creating in the labs only. Okay, so you will take a proper A4 size sheet. Like this. This is proper A4 size sheet. Okay, earlier we are using in class 1 also, है ना? And then one side, then make your A4 sheet, divide your A4 size sheet into two parts like this. Okay, and one side you will paste the clothes which we are getting from nature, like silk, cotton and wool, है ना? Like silk, cotton and wool. Okay, one side you will paste these clothes, है ना? And the second you will paste the synthetic clothes. Second side you will paste the synthetic clothes. See, you have many examples around you all, around at your homes. You can see the many examples. See, we are using nylon in socks, है ना? Curtain, socks and all the maximum numbers of the clothes we are using at our homes which creates by the human beings, है ना? So you will divide your sheets into two parts. One side you will paste the clothes which we are getting from nature and second side you will paste the clothes which human are the creators of these clothes, like rayon, polyester, nylon and acrylic. Okay, so if you have these types of clothes, you can use. If you have these type of clothes, you can use, otherwise no problem. No, it's not a big deal, it's not a big issue. Okay, so hope you understand. At the last of the lecture, I will repeat all these things again. Okay, now this life skill we will discuss. Okay, so first I will read what is written in this life skill. Suppose your mother wants to see, you all are a growing up child, है ना, you all are a growing up child, आप सब बढ़ती उम्र के बच्चे हैं. Are you agree with me? Am I right? Yes, you all are agree with me, है ना. Then tell me one thing. Suppose your height is increasing day by day, है ना. You all are, when you was in class nursery, that time you was very short, your height was very small. When you will go in LKG, then your height will increase, then you will go in UKG, that time only your height will increase. Then day by day your height is increasing, day by day. Daily में आपकी height जो है वो बढ़ती चली जा रही है ना. So whatever clothes you are using in your daily life, it became short. Then what to do? Can you wear your shirt which is not suits you? Can you wear that shorts which is not comfortable for you, है ना? Can you wear the frock which is not fit for you? It is small in size, and you all whole day, if you will wear, you will not feel good. Whole day you will do like this only. Why? Because this frock became a tight. This frock is quite tight for you. You are not feeling too much good. Am I right? है ना? Yes. So what is the use of your clothes? What is the use of that clothes? उन कपड़ों को क्या इस्तेमाल है जो आपकी हाइट बढ़ने की वजह से छोटे हो गए हैं. ठीक है. What is the use of those clothes? What is the use of those clothes? Nothing. Your mama is keeping inside in the cupboard. Your mama is keeping those clothes inside the cupboard which you are not wearing nowadays. Why became you a grown up child, and that dresses were short, that dresses were not suits you. It is quite tight. Okay, so what you will do? The same thing is written over here in the life skill, है ना. Your mother wants to give your old clothes to a charity organization. What is charity organization? Charity organization means the organization which have some child, those they don't have their parent, okay, and they are staying in that charities, they are staying in that organization, है ना. So yes, then some poor and needy children, poor means the children, those who are not able to buy the clothes by their own, means they don't have enough money to buy the clothes, because they are completely depends on the organization, they are completely depends on the charities. वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ दान पर ही अपने जीवन को आगे बढ़ाते हैं. They don't have enough money to buy the clothes, they don't have enough money to buy the all types of facility which we are having at our homes, है ना. So these children are completely depends on the organization, on the charities only, right? So here some points are written. You will not allow your mother to help the charity organization. suppose if your mama wants to give your clothes which are older and you are not wearing those clothes, because it's quite tight, है ना, and it's became fad in color, some stitching is not properly, so you are not going to wear these clothes, and your mama wants what? Your mama wants to give those clothes to an organization and charity, है ना. So what you will do? You will sell those to a कबाड़ी. What you will do? आप क्या उसको कबाड़ी वाले को बेच दोगे? एंड देन यू विल फील हैप्पी, वाओ आई गेट 10 रुपीज़, आई गेट 20 रुपीज़, आई सोल्ड दैट. और सेकेंड ऑप्शन, यू विल थ्रो देम इन अ डस्टबिन. और क्या करोगे? जितने भी पुराने कपड़े हैं, वॉट एवर ओल्ड क्लोथ्स यू हैव, यू विल थ्रो इन द डस्टबिन. इज इट गुड? हाँ? Is it nice? No, it is not good. It is not nice. This is not a good habit. है ना? Then we will go them to the charity organization and we donate. Then what you will do? What exactly you will do? क्या करेंगे हम? आपके जितने भी पुराने कपड़े हैं जो आप नहीं पहनते हैं, है ना, तो उसका सबसे सही उपयोग क्या है? वॉट इज द परफेक्ट यूज ऑफ दोज क्लोथ्स? यू विल सेल टू अ कबाड़ी वाला. इट इज गुड? नो, इट इज नॉट गुड. देन यू विल थ्रो इन द डस्टबिन. इट इज गुड? नो, इट इज अगेन नॉट गुड थिंग. देन definitely you have to give those clothes to a needy people or a needy child or a poor child, है ना. See, in our school we always charity our old uniform and our old school bag and the water bottle to the Asthagram, है ना. हमारे स्कूल में भी, वी स्कूल हैज़ दिस ट्रेडिशन. वी गोकुलदास पब्लिक स्कूल फॉलो दिस ट्रेडिशन. वी ऑलवेज डोनेट these uniforms, our old uniforms, our old school bag, our old school water bottle, our old school tiffin box to Asthagram Child. To Asthagram Child. Asthagram Child is an organization, है ना, which is especially for the poor children. Those who are poor children means what? They are not poor from here. Understand? वो दिमाग से गरीब नहीं है. They are not poor from their body structure. वो हाथ पैर किसी चीज़ से गरीब नहीं है. But they are poor from money. It means they don't have the sufficient money to get the new uniform, to get the new school bag, to get the new stationery item or notebooks or books, to get the new water bottle. You are able. You all are able to get the new uniform, to get the new school bag, to get the new books and notebooks, to get the new pencil box, lunch box, water bottle. But they all are not able to do all these things. Then what? Then what? Suppose if your uniform became old, your school became old, school bag became old, then what you will do? You will throw in the dustbin. You will give to a kabadi wala. Is this good? No, it is not good. आपकी पुरानी चीज़ किसी दूसरे के लिए नहीं होती है. You are तो not using those things. But a child who is not able to buy the new bags, to buy the new uniform, to buy new clothes, they will use. आपकी पुरानी चीज़ उनके लिए नहीं है. So don't do this. Don't throw in the dustbin. Don't sell to a kabadi wala. Give always to a needy child. Give always to a poor child. Give to an organization. We give to an organization. Okay. So try to always help to a poor child, a needy child. Okay. Don't throw your things in the dustbin. Don't sell your things in the kabadi wala. Give to अ नीडी चाइल्ड, क्योंकि आपकी, वंस अगेन आई विल रिपीट दिस थिंग, आपके लिए वो पुराना है, लेकिन उस बच्चे के लिए जिनको इन सारी चीज़ों की ज़रूरत है उसके लिए वो नया है। अगर आपका पुराना बैग आपके लिए पुराना हो सकता है, लेकिन जब वो पुराना बैग उस बच्चे को मिलेगा जिसको उस बैग की ज़रूरत है, ही और शी फील सो हैप्पी, सो एक्साइटेड, वाओ आई गॉट अ बैग। आपके लिए वो पुराना बैग है, आपके लिए वो पुराना बैग है, लेकिन उस बच्चे के लिए वो बैग है, ना वो नया है ना वो पुराना है। उस बच्चे के लिए वो स्कूल बैग है जिसकी उसको ज़रूरत है। आपके लिए आपकी स्कूल यूनिफॉर्म पुरानी है, लेकिन उस बच्चे के लिए वो स्कूल यूनिफॉर्म पुरानी नहीं है और ना नहीं है, वो उसके लिए यूनिफॉर्म है। और ही और शी ऑलवेज फील गुड, है ना। सो ऑलवेज गिव योर ओल्ड थिंग्स टू एन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन। ओके, नाउ सी, हियर वी आर फिनिशिंग the chapter number 3 clothes, and here we are finishing the chapter number 3 clothes, and I hope you learnt all these things which is related to the chapter, but one thing is remain still. See, I am giving you a activity, आपको क्या करना है I will tell you, है ना। first you will take the at least 20 or 10. If you don't have 20, take the 10. क्या करना है? Take the 10, but take the 10 words. Take the 10 word, आपको 10 earbuds लेना है, आपको 10 earbuds लेना है ना। And make the bunch, आपको उसका bunch बनाना है। Okay, and take another 10 earbuds. Take another 10 earbuds and make the bunch once again. Okay, इस टाइप से आपको 3 से 4 बंच बनाने हैं, इस टाइप से आपको 3 से 4 बंच बनाने हैं। I will show you, I will give you a demo. This time तो I am explaining you, but next time I will give you the demo how you will do this activity. Okay, so suppose आपने 3 से 4 बंच बना लिए, then what to do? Then what is the next step? You will take a proper cotton clothes. You will take the proper piece of cotton clothes, है ना, and on that cloth you will make the design. है ना। How you will make that I will tell you in my next video. Then I will come with the entire material and I will tell you how to do this activity. This is very good. This activity is very good, which is related to the chapter. And when you will do this activity, you will feel very good, है ना। आपको क्या करना है, 10 बंच के आपको कम से कम 4 बंच बनाने हैं ईयरबड्स के, 10, ठीक है। और उनको बीच में आपको रबर बैंड से टाई करना है, ठीक है। फिर आपको एक प्रॉपर कॉटन का क्लॉथ लेना है। आप एक रुमाल भी ले सकते हैं, बट रिमेंबर वो रुमाल आपका कॉटन का होना चाहिए। ओके, देन उस कॉटन के रुमाल के ऊपर आपने जो ईयरबड्स लिए हैं उनसे आपको सुंदर डिज़ाइन बनानी है, उन बंच से आपको सुंदर डिज़ाइन बनानी है। वो आप कैसे बनाएंगे, दैट आई विल टेल यू इन माई नेक्स्ट वीडियो। बट दिस इंफॉर्मेशन आई एम गिविंग यू इन दिस लेक्चर ओनली बिकॉज when you will watch this video, then you will tell to your parents, papa, mama, please get me the earbuds and the cotton rumal and the cotton handkerchief rumal. Okay, then we will do this activity. Okay, so now this all about the chapter. Now what to do? What do you do? Shall we start this new chapter number 4 today or not? Okay, now see, when you was came to school, जब आप स्कूल आते थे, when you all was in class 1, then after the lunch maximum students were asked me, ma'am, when will the departure, when will school over, when we will go to home, why you were asking these questions that time? Have you ever think why? Because you all are very excited, and you all are ready to go back. Where? Go back in jungle? Go back in playground? No, na. Then where you want to go? You all want to go your home, and I also want to go home after the school. So we all are in hurry to go to school. We all are in very hurry to go to house, है ना? So this chapter number 4 we will start in our next lecture. Okay, then, but before the starting this chapter, I am giving you a small work. You all will read these 4 lines. Whatever is written in these 4 lines, you have to read. You have to, before the watching video of chapter number 4 house, you have to do the reading. You have to do the reading of these 4 lines. Okay, so till then, bye bye, have a nice day, and enjoy your celebrations. And one more thing, all the students of class 2, soon we all teachers call the notebooks in the school. Soon we all teachers will call your notebooks in the school for checking purpose. Get ready with your all the notebooks. Your notebook should be covered with proper coloring code,
and write your name on the name sheet with the class and the section. Write your full name, don't write your half name. Like Arav, there are many Aravs. Advik, there are many Adviks, है ना? So Vihan, there are many Vihans. So write your full name and your class and your section also. Okay, है ना? Get ready with your notebooks, because we teachers will call your notebook here in the school. Okay, so till then, bye bye, have a nice day, stay home, stay safe, do study, enjoy your festivals, bye.